I could see it probably because it's breaking. I could see it if it comes back down. At least coming back up to here. I could see it. Something like this, I'll probably get it into a 5 to 1 or something in that nature. So, it's holding uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. If it breaks through, you probably could get something right here. This would have been a nice sell somewhere around here. Let's see where can I have entered. Sorry, it's the morning time. So let's just check the morning, Monday, New York time going on. I'll probably do something like that. Boom, boom, boom. It's ranging. I at least think price will come in here. Let's see. Hell yeah, I think price gonna come in here. Fuck this. But this is good enough. But I would still believe price will come in here. Look, this is what price was coming at. Buyers buy. It comes, it breaks the buyers. Probably the next level it probably want to head to. And then, yeah, so the entry depends on where your entry is at. It could be like a breakout. Like this could be somewhere your entry. Like I don't really like any entries here. No honesty. Like boom, comes up, boom, 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 boom. You see it doing this. Alright, because it's morning time. Sorry, it's morning. At most, I probably would have wanted to come up a little bit more than the drop. I was waiting for another entry somewhere around here. Comes up, breaks back down. I re-enter. So I probably look at this tomorrow. See if it continues to go up, then I really want it to continue to go up, but we got to do what market is giving us. So if it comes up, doesn't want to break support area, and then we back down to my yellow, which is breaking these buy areas. I'm gonna take it down to here for the sell, probably a nice 6 to 1. Something like comes around here. Uh, um, we could do something like that. Something. You see how I just broke out of this area. Let's take this out. We could do something like that. I don't know where the next higher low would be. Then somewhere like this. I would want to get it at least a 3 to 1. Somewhere around here. It's 2.5. I need a higher. I need it higher. So now it is showing lower lows though. Like boom. If it don't break this support area, comes up, smashes through. I'll be looking for the sell. Or If you want to play it real safe, if it comes, it's a lot of space you can open. It comes up here where price never deviates hit, comes in, doesn't break this, it smash back down. That's another one. There's a lot of. You got to see how price maneuver at that certain area though. Like I like this one way more. You see, like I like this one way more because look, I could get a nice 6-1. Get a nice 6-1 if it do comes up, but it doesn't want to break. If it breaks previous support, that means it wants to go back up and just follow the overall trend. And then we can still take advantage of that too, because the overall trend, if it makes higher highs, we could just look where it's breaking highs and highs, retrace, don't let it break back down. If it doesn't break back down, we enter. So as you can see, like look, like just look at this day. Doesn't come here, comes up, doesn't break down. You can look at previous where the enter at, not breaking support. But as it breaks this support, it's going down, boom, going down, boom, going down, boom, going down. The overall trend is 5, but as it's look, it just broke main support. So I'm thinking really it could go down to here. That's my bias, but the market can just wake back up. We are in a ranging, so you gotta look at overall market. We in a ranging, so I'm just waiting. Nas, but I seen the Nas today. Um, so let me get something like this. The higher highs, you can tell I was wrong. I was trying to go against the trend, but see, get a nice one. So I'm like, do I want to buy here? This is the lowest I probably ever buy, but as you can see, it's holding. Let's see, let's go to hour. We're going to go to the hour and see how it looks. So we're going to delete this. You can see. You can see it as it's still holding. This is the lowest low. It can come up. So you can still look for buys for tomorrow. We got to see what the market give us. If it give us something like it's not breaking here, really not even breaking here, or if it's just ranging in this type motion, you can see it doesn't want to break. Boom, boom. If it hit here, come back. Hit here. Okay, now it's telling me it doesn't want to break, so we're gonna go on. All right, you can see, like, look, we always try to follow the trend. Like, you see how the trend is going up. Like even if it's going down today, boom, making lower lows, lower lows, lower lows for this day. But the overall is up. So I'm not saying like I'm saying you can probably sell sometimes even on an uptrend, but if you want the best bang for your buck, just don't do what I did. I try to sell just because I'm thinking price wants to deviate to at least here or here. But maybe it do, but as you can see, when you're in an uptrend, it can just make some type of support and it can hold, or this can break tomorrow. So we got to see how price reacts here. This is where price broke new highs. So you see how it broke new highs. It's holding. Let's see if this holds here. We could get some type of buy back up to certain areas, or we could get some type of break to certain areas. And you see Nas is just repeatedly in the uptrend. This looks very nice. You see it's making higher highs. As you can see, higher highs. You can see it's in some type of tag flattening. I'm just looking at market for what it is, and then just entering for what I believe is higher highs and low lows. So you come here, if it come back, it could hold this, and then you can buy up to new highs. Like you can see, it went new highs, it dropped down, came up. This day didn't want to break, previous support. As you can see, these supports here, you like, oh my gosh. Like say if it come down here and it doesn't want to break, it's an uptrend. You just trade with the trend. So boom. Or because this is the overall trend. It could come, it could break here. If I do, to me, I got to see how the market moves in a nice, clean way. We don't. If it's choppy, it just doesn't make sense. So if it does break here, it can come to here and look for buys. Like this is a nice quick sell, real quick, boom. Like if it's all right, low, high, low. See how it holds here. Try to buy. We can lose. Just let it come up. If it come up, then come back down. We just lose profit. Thanks for the like. And yeah, so today I didn't really do nothing crazy. Um, I think the only one I like was gold, and gold I couldn't even enter. So, but gold I am looking for tomorrow. Yo, I am looking for tomorrow gold. So I like this entry a little bit better, but we got to see how gold previously hold. You see how gold is very nice. Like look how it look. So it's buying. So say boom today it doesn't hold here. So say you want to put support here. Boom. It breaks support. It comes back in. You can sell. Boom. But this is the higher high. So now it's the high. Say you even want to sell. So you just wouldn't trade this day. You'll come down to this day. You probably wouldn't even trade this day. But you gotta get this day and look, it comes back to the higher high in one day. So boom. You see it's not breaking support. Um this is the lower low, higher high. Hit here, comes back on Tuesday, comes back Wednesday. Look, hit higher high off some stuff. It comes all the way back down. You probably think it wants to sell out. Boom. But all right, we come in New York time. It's not hitting here. Boom. Now it flies off. So you just have to understand market structure to be honest. Everything won't be like guaranteed preachers and cream because like right here, like you'd be like, where I'm buying. Some place you probably wouldn't buy, or if you're just going to like the lower time frame, like right here, like you'll be like, it broke out of this jump right here. As you can see, overall trend is up, lower low, high, lower high, lower high, breaks out lower. Um, let's see if you go on a 5 minute, making some type of trend. And then what we want to do is probably get in where you fit in. This is probably the only way you probably can enter right here. This is probably the only one you can enter. Probably boom, no consolidation days. And then what would you do? Um, you probably just recharge. So boom, it breaks out. You see it was low, 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 high. It breaks out of here. Breaks out of here again. So you probably don't want it to come all the way back here. So this is a nice one. See how market moves. Then probably put it. You see it comes up. Doesn't want to break here. It's very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So that looks nice. We can go to no, but we gotta see what price does here. Gotta see what price does. Because all it is just moving down. Let's see what price does around here. You see Nas, okay, Nas. Yeah, so I could get something down from here, or if it's just sitting, or it's just sitting. Let's see, 30. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I wouldn't really per se trade this. Let's see, like if we're going, it's a gap right here. So as you can see, gaps have to fill. Gaps have to fill. It comes and fills. Comes and fills. Comes down. Really, this ain't even a low. Makes another low. I won't count this as a low because it just come here, come up, then break again. But comes here, so it's just not breaking. So it comes back, comes up, comes back. Probably can get some type of entry. But this looks nasty. Like we won't want this, so we're gonna delete it. This is a gap. It had to get filled. But I'm thinking if the gap come and fill, look. But now we're looking at the 1 hour. So the 1 hour broke here. As long as price don't break above fill, we can see what it does here. Sellers can be done, but if sellers is done, shit. If sellers break here, minimum is going. We got to get some moves. Minimum. They come here, boom. They can't go here to here, or it could go all the way back up here. Or it could just hold from this right here, hold here, hold. It doesn't want to break. If it show me it doesn't want to break tomorrow, we're just gonna buy with the trend. Is a nice TP, another TP right there. And then, like I said, gold. We want to see do a little retracement. We see it's mainly ranging. So if it's mainly ranging, and it does, and it is breaking lower lows, even on a 4 hour strong, you're gonna see a pullback. You probably want to see some sell to the ranging area because look, range. Um, you see, like, look, market order does repeat itself. It did this, boom, boom. It's coming right back, like it hit here a lot. Come back here, comes back here. All right, look, range. Look at this. This is a nice opportunity too. A very nice opportunity. So boom, like this is a nice opportunity. Look at this. Once this came, this is a nice opportunity to break up. So comes here, breaks out, come retest. So what was it? Come here, retest. Doesn't want to break up, really want to break up. Sell all the way back down to here. This is a good TP because as you can see it here a lot. So if it comes up, doesn't want to break this area, I could just sell it down to the main course. So I like how gold looks. 30. Nas ain't. I don't really like how Nas look per se. I would want to see some more information up here. And US 30. US 30 is kind of in the same boat. I just want to see more information. I just want to see more information. I forgot. Let me look at Tesla. You don't really want to see Tesla selling, to be honest. Oh, we on a 4 hour. Like Tesla will come back. Right there. So you see, doesn't want to break here. Come all the way back up to here. Now we gotta see what market wants to do. See it's making higher high, get another higher high, low, 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 low. Something about Tesla is about to happen. Something in Tesla is really about to happen. So higher high, lower low, higher high, breaks out. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Beautiful. So as you can see, price came here, came back down to here. Probably could try to find some type of sell somewhere in here. I see. Let's just see if you can find it. So all right, so boom. Now we probably try to find something here. Let's see. Another one comes back there. That would have been your two entries right there. All right, I'm gonna do enough for that. I probably go live on TikTok, but I want to keep studying, man. If y'all want to join on. Hold on, let's write a script. Let's see. All right, yeah. Like I said, man, I already told y'all I like how gold looks tomorrow. I love how gold looks tomorrow. Gold might be the move. Let's go back to gold. Let's exit gold. Gold might might be the move tomorrow. Like I said, if it doesn't want to break support here, come down to here. Yeah, man. We out.